January 6th, we're in Panama. You can see these two air tractors had a collision. One pilot did not make it, and these aircraft are in bad shape. They had to go ahead and pull hand lines and try to put out whatever engine fire. You can see it kind of hit this building. It's in the banana patches here, and the aircraft is kind of unrecognizable. You can see the wing, but very bad shape. Hopefully, the other pilot survives. This is the aircraft here, Air Tractor AT-504, and the Hotel Papa 1955 Alpha Tango was one of them, and the other tail number was Hotel Papa 1966 Alpha Tango, and they were basically used for agriculture, as you can see here. I'm not sure how the two collided mid-air and what they were doing, but it was part of this company here, ATOPAN Company. And there's the vision, mission statement. Aerial spraying is the most efficient tool for protecting and fertilizing crops. So that's what these aircraft are used for. And it happened here. You can see all the agriculture fields in Changuinola in Panama. So it went down in this area here. And again, here's another one of that aircraft. But yeah, I really hope one person survives. Looks like they may have had to extricate one of them out. And prayers to the families as usual for the other pilot. Again, this is Arfad Amkioni. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.